Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 2 subject science. So let's read today's thought. The more you practice, the better you get. So the meaning of this thought is very simple, that practice and practice and practice. If you want to be perfect, if you want to chase perfection, then you have to practice whole day. Whatever thing you like, whatever is your hobby, whatever you are interested in, keep on practicing that thing every day, night and day, and the day will come when you will master your skills on that particular thing, but do not stop practicing. The content of today's video is lesson number 6, food for health, the lesson which we have been studying in the past few lectures. So in the previous video, whatever we have done, we will just see the recap. In the end, we will learn and write the hard words of the lesson, learn and write 2 examples. The exercise of 2 examples we will solve today. Learn and write questions and answers. So 3 new things you will learn in today's video: hard words, 2 examples, question answers. In the previous video, as you might have observed, we have solved the objective type questions, that is filling the blanks, match the following, choose the correct option. We have solved. So today let us solve these 3 which have to be written in the fair book. So please see that you are sitting with your rough book, pencil and eraser as I give the instructions each and every time. So let's start with hard words. So the heading, first of all you will give, that is lesson number 6, food for health. Please give this heading as we do every day. Without heading, without the date, you should not write anything. So as the new video you are watching, I hope you have written today's date. The heading you have given, lesson number 6, food for health. Notes of the lesson to be written in the fair book. So fair book you will write later on. For today you will write in rough book, then you will copy it in the fair book. So let's read hard words, the difficult words that we have come across while reading the lesson. I will read it, I will pronounce it for you. I want you to repeat and speak along with me. So see that you should speak along with me without fail. Number 1, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. It is a type of food, type of vegetable that we have seen in the lesson. In the identification, we have identified the food that we get from plants and the food that we get from animals. Number 2, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide. D-I-V-I-D-E, divide. D-I-V-I-D-E, divide. Divide means to make groups, like the food is divided into 3 categories. As we know, we have seen the 3 different categories of the food. So the food is divided into 3 types. Number 3, P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E, protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E, protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E, protective. Food like fruits, vegetables and nuts, they protect us from falling ill, so they are called protective food. Number 4, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. G-I-V-I-N-G, giving. Energy, giving. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. G-I-V-I-N-G, giving. Energy, giving. So which are the energy giving foods that we have learnt about? We have learnt the foods like rice, sugar and wheat. They give us energy to work and play. So they are called energy giving foods. Number 5. BODY, body. BUILDING, building, body building. BODY, BUILDING, body building. BODY, BUILDING, body building. So in this lesson we have also learnt about bodybuilding foods. Which are they? Milk, egg, chicken. They help us to grow, make us strong. So they are called bodybuilding foods. So I hope you have written all the 5 hard words one time in your rough book as of now. Now let's see hard words from 6 to 10. Number 6. PARTICULAR, particular. PARTICULAR, particular. Particular means specific. Particular type of food that we eat during the day, that is called meal. Particular means specific, one and only. Number 7. USUALLY, usually. USUALLY, usually. USUALLY, usually. Usually means regularly, every day. What you do regularly, that is called usually. Usually we eat 3 meals every day. So usually means most of the times whatever you do, that is your routine, that you call it usually. Number 8. MEALS, meals. MEALS, meals. MEALS, meals. So which are the 3 meals we have learnt about? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. That is a type of food we eat at a particular time of the day, that is called meal. Then number 9. STALE, stale. STALE, stale. STALE, stale. So what is the meaning? Food items that have been kept for many days. So that food items which you cannot eat, they are stale food items which you have kept for many days, either in the fridge or uncovered outside. So you should not eat that because it has become stale, not good for eating. Number 10. PLENTY, plenty. PLENTY, plenty. PLENTY, plenty. Plenty means a lot of. What is the meaning? Plenty means a lot of. So these are the 10 hard words, and I expect that you have also written hard words from number 6 till number 10 in your rough book one time as of now, and also written hard words number 1 to 5. So these are the 10 hard words, the difficult words that we have come across in this lesson. Now let's see the next topic for today. The next topic is give 2 examples. Give 2 examples. So the heading that you will give in your notebook, you have to leave one line and give the next topic's heading, that is give 2 examples. As you know, this exercise is there in each and every lesson. You have to write 2 examples for each of the questions that are asked to you. Whatever is asked, you have to mention only 2 things in that answer. So let's read all the 2 examples question one by one, understand and write the answers. So here you shall just write the answers. As I told you, the questions have been sent in your WhatsApp group. You can check it out. So answers have to be written in your rough book as of now. And please read and understand along with writing the answers. Number 1. Food we get from plants. So which type of food do we get from plants? We get so many things from plants. So here we have to write any 2 things that we get from plants. Number 1. FRUITS, fruits. fruits, fruits. Number 2, vegetables, 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 vegetables. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Just when we started the lesson, in the beginning we had done a warm-up exercise in which you had to identify the names of different kinds of fruits that were shown to you, fruits and vegetables, and different sorts of foods were shown to you. You had to differentiate between the food that we get from plants and that we get from animals. So we have seen all these examples. So food that we get from plants are fruits, all kinds of fruits and all kinds of vegetables. So that is your answer number 1, fruits and vegetables. That is in bold black color. You can write that answer. Then in the next line you will write number 2, food we get from animals. Which is the kind of food that we get from animals? So the two examples are milk, milk, egg, egg, milk, egg. Milk and egg are the two food items that we get from animals like cow, buffalo, etc. They give us milk. Duck, hen, this kind of animals, they give us egg. So these are the food items that we get from animals, milk and egg. In the first question we saw the food that we get from plants. In the second question it is asked food we get from animals. So you have to be very careful. If in exam it is asked about plants or animals, then you have to write the answer. In case you just interchange the options, then answer would be wrong. You have to be very careful. You have to read the question twice. Number 3, energy giving food. So we have learnt about 3 categories in this lesson, 3 types of food groups. So first one was energy giving food, the food that gives us energy to work and play. In that we have learnt rice, sugar and wheat. They give us energy to work and play. So here we can write any two. RICE, rice, SUGAR, sugar. Rice and sugar are the 2 examples of energy giving food. These food give us energy to work and play whole day. You can also write wheat if you want. Number 4, bodybuilding food. What is the meaning of bodybuilding food? The food items which help us grow. They make our bones and muscles strong. These food items are called bodybuilding food items. We have learnt the examples such as milk, egg, chicken. Milk, egg and chicken are the 3 examples. You could write any 2 as I have written over here, milk and egg. Also the food items that we get from animals, it is the same answer, milk and egg. So it is easy for you to memorize. You have to remember only one answer and you can write that answer in both. The food we get from animals, bodybuilding food, the answers are same, milk and egg. So one answer is less. Now it is reduced. Your work is reduced as you have to remember these 2 items, milk and egg. It is applicable over here in animals and also the bodybuilding food. Number 5, protective food. So we have learnt in this lesson about protective foods as well. The food that help us protect from falling ill. The food items that help us from protection, it gives us protection from falling sick. That food items like fruits, vegetable and nuts are the examples of protective foods. So from that we have written any 2 over here, fruits, fruits, nuts. Nuts. Fruits and nuts are the examples of the 2 foods that are protective food. They help us from falling ill. They protect us from falling ill. So these are the 5 answers and I hope you have written all the 5 answers in your notebook. Which are the answers we have learnt? Food we get from plants, fruits and vegetables. Food we get from animals, milk and egg. Energy giving food, rice and sugar. Bodybuilding food, milk and egg. Protective foods, fruits and nuts. Next, so the next topic for today, that is questions and answers. The question answers that you have to write in your fair notebook. So we will read the question and the answer also will read and learn along with the video. So here I am going to read the question for you as well as the answer as I told you, but you will just write the answers in your notebook, not the question, so that you get the time for learning it as well. So please see that you just have to write the answers, not the questions. Number 1. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Answer. We need food to live and grow. Why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. Why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. See, half of the answer is given in the question. We need food. From that, you can write these 3 words. We need food. And the rest you have to write yourself. To live and grow. If you want to survive, if you want to be alive, you have to eat. And if you want your body to grow, then also you have to eat. So why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. And we should eat all the 3 groups of the food in proper amount so that our body grows properly. So that is answer number 1. I will speak one more time so that you can write and read along with me. Why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. Next. Number 2. Write any one rule for healthy eating. Write any one rule for healthy eating. So we have learnt 9 rules in this lesson for healthy eating. From that, you can write any one rule whichever you remember. Here I have taken one rule, that is, we should wash our hands before and after eating. We should wash our hands before and after eating. This is the instruction that is also given by me almost every day, and I expect that you are all following this instruction very strictly. So this is only one example. As I told you, we have learnt 9 rules for healthy eating. Some of them are like eat well cooked food, wash your mouth after eating, eat fresh food, and eating stale food can make you sick. Eat slowly and chew your food well. There are so many rules that we have learned. You can watch the previous videos and write any one rule whichever you like. So if you write this one, it is the best one. We should wash our hands before and after eating. Number 3. Which type of food should we eat? Which type of food should we eat? So it is very easy to give the answer of this question. We should eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food. So what is the meaning of healthy food? The food which will benefit your health. It will not make your health worse. It will improve your health. So the food which is healthy is the food which is nutritious food. It is energy giving, bodybuilding and protective, or any one of these. So that kind of food is healthy food. It will improve your health, or it will never let you fall ill. That is healthy food. So which type of food should we eat? We should eat healthy food. Here you have to learn, you have to memorize the spelling of this word. Healthy. 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 we should eat healthy food. Which type of food should we eat? We should eat healthy food. Number 4. How many meals do we take in a day? Usually, each one of us takes 3 meals in a day. That is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you need not write those 3 names, but here it is asked how many meals do we need in a day. So the only answer you have to write is we take 3 meals in a day. How many? 3. The simple answer and very easy question. How many meals do we take in a day? We take 3 meals in a day. Like I had shown you the clock and the timetable of that boy. In the morning 8 o'clock he has his breakfast, afternoon 1 o'clock he has his lunch, and in the evening 8 o'clock again he has his dinner. So that is the type of the meal, particular type of meal eaten during the day. So how many meals do we take in a day? We take 3 meals in a day. Last but not the least, number 5. Name the 3 meals we usually eat during the day. Name the 3 meals we usually eat during the day. So in the previous question, it was asked how many meals. So we wrote 3. But in this question number 5, it is asked name the 3 meals. So which are the types of the meals that I just told you? A, B and C you have to write. You can also write 1, 2 and 3. First one is BREAKFAST, breakfast. Second, LUNCH, lunch. And number 3, DINNER, dinner. So which are the 3 meals that we usually eat during the day? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Name the 3 meals that we usually eat during the day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. And if it is asked how many meals do we eat, then you have to write 3. Do not get confused between these two questions. When it is asked how many meals, you just have to write we take 3 meals in a day. But when it is asked name the 3 meals, when the name is asked, at that time you have to write these A, B and C, or 1, 2 and 3 you can write if you wish to: breakfast, lunch and dinner. And just for your knowledge, I will repeat: breakfast is eaten in the morning, lunch we have in the afternoon, dinner is eaten in the evening or at night. It is also called supper, SUPPER. So here we come to the end of the notes of this lesson. Now let's revise quickly whatever was learnt in the previous lecture of notes. So this is what we had learnt in the previous lectures. This is just the recap, so that in case you have missed that video, or even if you have seen it, you can revise it. So please read and learn along with me. Fill in the blanks. We need food to dash. We need food to live and grow. Why do we need food to live and grow? Number 2, we should eat dash amount of food to stay healthy. So how much should we eat? We should eat the right amount of food to stay healthy. Number 3, dash food make our bones and muscles strong. Dash food make our bones and muscles strong. So here I had told you it is a trick question. The answer will be bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. Number 4, dash protect us from falling sick. So what protects us from falling ill? Protective food like nuts protect us from falling ill. We usually eat dash meals in a day. We eat 3 meals in a day usually. So now I'll show the answers again. So here are the answers. I will read it out so that you can revise. We need food to live and grow. We should eat the right amount of food to stay healthy. Bodybuilding food make our bones and muscles strong. Nuts protect us from falling sick. We usually eat 3 meals in a day. So this was the revision of fill in the blanks. The next thing we had seen, that was match the columns. So let's revise match the columns which are given over here. As you can see, column A and column B. In column A it is given energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food, stale food, fresh food. Column B, healthy, sick, energy for work, for the body to grow, to protect us from falling ill. So let's match the columns. First of all, energy giving food you will match with energy for work. So here is the answer. Energy giving food gives energy for work. And which are that food, energy giving food? They are rice, sugar and wheat. Number 2, protective food. They protect you from falling ill. They do not let you fall ill. They protect us. So where is the answer? Over here. Protect us from falling ill. So the answer is answer option E, to protect us from falling ill. Number 3, bodybuilding food. So where should we match bodybuilding food? With option number D, for the body to grow. Bodybuilding food like milk, egg and chicken, they help us to grow and they make our bones and muscles strong. So option D is the correct option. So here is the answer, for the body to grow. Number 4, stale food. If you eat the food which is kept for many days, that is called stale food. It is not good for your health. And if you eat stale food, you will fall ill. You may fall sick. So option number B is the correct option. Stale food makes us sick. Number 5, fresh food. If you eat fresh food, you will always be healthy. If you eat fresh food, you will always be healthy. So that is option number A, healthy. These are all the answers that we had done. I have matched all the answers for you. So which are the answers? Let's see again. Energy giving food, energy for work. Protective food, protect us from falling ill. Bodybuilding food, for the body to grow. Stale food makes us sick. Fresh food makes us healthy. So what did we learn in today's video? We revised fill in the blanks, match the following. Also we learned hard words 1 to 5. These are hard words 6 to 10 that we learned in today's video. Then we learned 2 example questions. These are the 2 example questions that we learned in today's video. Then we learned question answers. Why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. Write any one rule for healthy eating. We should wash our hands before and after eating. Which type of food should we eat? We should eat healthy food. How many meals do we take in a day? We take 3 meals in a day. Name the 3 meals that we usually eat during the day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So here, see that you do not make spelling mistake. You have to learn the correct spelling. BREAKFAST, breakfast. LUNCH, lunch. DINNER, dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the 3 types of meals or food that we eat during the day. So thank you for watching the video and please revise your lessons regularly. Have a nice day.